सीए तो क्लियर होगी, बट अब जॉब के लिए कैसे अप्लाई करें? हाउ शुड वी अप्रोच पीपल इफ वी हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर जॉब? शैल वी वेट फॉर कैंपस प्लेसमेंट और शैल वी स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग फॉर ऑफ कैंपस ओनली? अगर मैंने ऑफ कैंपस अप्लाई कर दिया, क्या वो सेम कंपनीज मुझे शॉर्टलिस्ट करेंगी कैंपस में? I know for all these confusion, all these doubts, all these questions. Don't worry, I'm here to solve all of these for you. If you have recently qualified your CA exams and you are worried about all the further process, do not worry, your search ends here and watch this video till the very end so as to understand कि अब आपको क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं. Hi everyone, my name is Tanvi Sukhija and I'm on a mission to help students and freshers to launch their career in the professional world by rising from mediocrity to excellence. In this video, I'll be explaining you the pathway which you should take once you clear your CA exams. Let's start with understanding the basics. I'm not explaining anything in detail for these basics because I think you have clarity on this and you are now clear on this aspect. Number 1, prepare your resume. Number 2, prepare for your interview. Brush up your interview skills, communication skills, soft skills. Start working on these. Number 3, brush up your technical aspect of knowledge, what you have studied in CA final, CA intermediate. Thoda you have to brush it up. So I'm not here to explain anything in depth related to these basics. I hope and I would urge you all, if you have not completed it, please start working on these skills right now. Now coming to the second question, which is, shall I wait for campus placement or shall I start applying off campus only? So it happens कि campus placement थोड़ी delay होती है. So most people, what do is they just wait for the campus placement. They'll think कि हमें campus में मिल जाएगी jobs अच्छे से and we just have to wait for campus placement and there's no need to apply anywhere else. If you have to apply for the job, start it right now. Start from this very day once you have cleared your CA exam, because everyone has started doing that, and if you are not doing that, you are already lagging behind all the people who are working really hard to get themselves a job. These days, some people say there's a insufficiency of job because of the job market, hiring freeze and any other thing, but trust me, अगर आपके skills अच्छे हैं, if you can present yourself well, you will be placed in a very good organization, so need not to worry on that aspect. So I would request all of you to start applying this very moment. There is a misconception in people's mind or students' mind कि if they start applying to the company right now, they will not be get hired in the campus placement. There is altogether a different process which takes place during the campus selection. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं लिखा कि अगर आपने ऑफ कैंपस उस कंपनी में अप्लाई कर दिया, वो सेम कंपनीज आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं करेंगी इन कैंपस प्लेसमेंट. इट इज़ नॉट दैट. आपको अभी से अप्लाई करना है सो एज टू ब्रश अप. आपकी इंटरव्यू की तैयारी हो रही है. यू नाउ अगर आप अप्लाई करना शुरू करोगे, इंटरव्यूज देना शुरू करोगे, यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयरिंग योर सेल्फ फॉर द इंटरव्यू. इवन इफ 1-2 इंटरव्यूज क्लियर नहीं होते हैं, बाकी आगे के इंटरव्यू की तो आपकी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है ना. अगर आप उससे इंटरव्यूज दे रहे हो और अप्लाई कर रहे हो, यू नाउ नो कि हमें कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, हमें कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है, और तुम उसके लिए ज़्यादा अच्छे से पढ़ोगे. सो इफ़ यू आर अपेयरिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू, इट इज़ हेल्पिंग यू. इट इज़ अ विन-विन सिचुएशन फॉर यू इन आइदर ऑफ द केस. इवन इफ यू गेट सिलेक्टेड एंड इवन इफ यू डू नॉट गेट सिलेक्टेड, यू आर गेटिंग दैट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द इंटरव्यू. सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचना अगर मुझे सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ तो मेरा ऐसे कुछ मोरल डाउन नहीं करना. इट इज़ ओके. पीपल, कुछ लोग नहीं होते हैं सिलेक्ट. पीपल डू नॉट गेट सिलेक्ट इन द वेरी फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू दे गिव. Even I've seen some of the rank holders appearing for various interviews and not getting selected. So it is not your fault. आपको अच्छे से prepare करना है. That is the only thing which you have to do right now, and that is the only thing which is in your hand. So your practice is in your hand. उस पर आप work कर सकते हो and उसी पे आप work करो and उसके related, उसके आसपास ही आप काम करो, result अपने आप आएगा. Coming to the next point, how to apply for the job. मैं जॉब्स के लिए कैसे अप्लाई करूँ? मेरा तो कोई कनेक्शन ही नहीं है, मैं किसी को जानता ही नहीं हूँ. ये सब बहुत न्यू है मेरे लिए. आप सब ये सोच रहे होंगे, कुछ लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि मुझे तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कैसे प्रोसीड करने आगे. ट्रस्ट मी, मैं वहाँ पे आपकी सिचुएशन में थी उस टाइम पर. आई हैव बीन देयर एंड आई हैव डेल्ट विद ऑल दिस. So coming from that experience, I'm sharing what all things which I did and might help you in that as well. Number 1 is create a LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a professional platform which may fetch you jobs, so you have to have that LinkedIn profile yourself. Start working on your LinkedIn profile, create content, engage with people's content, start reaching out to the people on LinkedIn. Number 2 is रेफरल. रेफरल से बहुत ज़्यादा जॉब्स मिलती हैं. 60% जॉब्स हमें रेफरल से मिलती हैं. सो स्टार्ट आस्किंग फॉर रेफरल. इफ़ यू हैव सम सीनियर्स, इफ़ यू हैव सम फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू हैव समवन इन फैमिली, ask them to refer you for a particular job which you want to get in. It could be audit, tax, or any of the job. Ask them to refer in their organization, and referrals are the best source to get you placed in any of the organization. If you do not have any close friends, family, relative, कुछ भी नहीं है, then reach out to people on LinkedIn, build a good connection with them, build a good rapport with them. Ask for their advice, ask for their experiences, and let them know that you are looking for the job. If they can help you with the referral, they surely will help you with the referral. So no doubt with that. एक दो लोग होंगे जो नहीं करेंगे, but you have to reach as many number of people as you can, because people are there to help you. But for that, you have to help yourself first by reaching out to those people, right? So next, if you want to look for the job, just take advice from your senior on what path they have followed, कि उन्होंने क्या किया था, how did they proceed. Ask for their experiences, ask for the challenges they have faced in the organization. And किसी भी organization में ऐसे blindly नहीं apply करना. You first have to consult with the people who are working there, inquire about the working culture or the work or the job responsibilities and everything, and then you have to apply for that organization. ऐसे किसी का time waste नहीं करना है, खुद का भी time waste नहीं करना है. Be very mindful of that. Number 3 is कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में यू हैव टू अप्लाई. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपने ऑफ कैंपस शुरू कर दिया जॉब ढूंढना तो आप कैंपस में अप्लाई नहीं करोगे. नो, इट शुड नॉट बी द केस. यू हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर द कैंपस प्लेसमेंट एज वेल अलॉन्ग विद द ऑफ कैंपस प्लेसमेंट, बिकॉज कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में कुछ कुछ कंपनीज ऐसी होती हैं जो बहुत अच्छी आ जाती हैं, एंड यू माइट गेट प्लेस्ड इन दोज कंपनीज. And prepare for the group discussion round. Campus placement में they take the GD round and you must stand out in that GD round, because GD round में कैसा होता है, if you are 20 people appearing for a GD or 10 people appearing for the GD, they only select with 3 or 4 maximum. The 70% rejection GD round में ही हो जाता है. So you should and you must stand out in order to get yourself highlighted and appear for the interview. इंटरव्यू तो सेकेंड प्रोसेस आ गया. अगर आप जीडी में ही बाहर निकल जाओगे इंटरव्यू तक ही नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. सो प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर द जीडी. जीडी में ऐसे नहीं करना है कि बोलते ही रहना, किसी को चांस नहीं देना. यू मस्ट शो योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, लीडरशिप स्किल, टीम मैनेजमेंट स्किल, एवरीथिंग. दे आर जजिंग यू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट. They might not judge you on the basis of the content you are speaking, but they will judge you on the basis of the confidence you have while you are speaking, or if you are giving chance to other people, if you are summarizing every pointer of every people who have shared there, or if you are arguing or not. You need not to argue to prove your point. It is a group discussion. It is not a debate. So argue करने से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. It's just a discussion. You can put forward your point respectfully. Need not to argue on any point with anyone. You can just say that I respect your opinion, however in my opinion I feel this way and this should be done. Just put forward your point respectfully. Do not disrespect anyone, because it is a discussion and not a debate. Now coming to the next pointer, अगर आपको कैंपस में जॉब नहीं मिली और उससे पहले भी आपकी कहीं जॉब नहीं होती है तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, उसके बाद भी मास हायरिंग होती है इन वेरियस कंपनीज. So apply through job portals, apply through referrals, reach out to people on LinkedIn, keep your research on, because if you are not researching enough, you are not researching well, you are not doing any good to you. So you have to keep researching about the companies you want to get in. Select 5-10 companies you want to get in for the interviews, maximum 5-10 companies, and उसके लिए you have to prepare rigorously and prepare your resume, brush up your interview, prepare for mock interviews if you have to, talk to as many people about their experiences. अगर किसी ने interview दिए वहाँ पे ask for their experiences. If any senior is working there, ask for their experiences, ask for any advice if they can give it to you before preparing for the interview. And after interview you must give a follow-up thank you note to your interviews who has taken your interview, so that उनको लगे कि yes, this person is standing out in my eyes in with anyone else, and I must take that person, I must pick this person, proceed ahead. My employees will feel secure and safe with this person if I am taking this person into my team. So always keep this in mind. If you have any other question, you can reach out to me through LinkedIn or Instagram, or you may join my Telegram community for more such tips. You can let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that it may benefit them as well. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it right now and hit the bell icon in order to get notifications for all the upcoming videos. All the very best with your job search. Thank you so much for watching this video.